Let's look at another question. A business purchased a motor car on 1 July 2013 for $20,000. Okay, we have the cost here. It's to be depreciated at the 20% straight line basis. If it says a straight line basis, so we are depreciating 20% of the cost. And also we have the residual value, assuming we have the residual value after the 5 years, $4,000. So we calculate the depreciation for the 20,000 minus 4,000, it makes 16,000, and 20% times. Okay, it makes 3,200 for year. 3,200 for year is our depreciation, which should be incurred to the profit or loss. The 20,000 cost was correctly entered in the cash book. Okay, we credited the cash book 20,000, it's okay. But debited to the motor vehicles repairs account. It means that we incur it as an expense on the profit or loss. And we understated the profit. How much amount we understated? This is our question for 31st December 2013. Our accounting period ended 31st December 2013, but we purchased on 1st July. It makes 6 months. It has been 6 months that we purchased that asset. So we should calculate the depreciation for 6 months, which should be incurred as an expense on profit or loss. It makes $1,600. $1,600 should be incurred as a depreciation expense. But how much we incurred? We incurred 20,000. And the difference of this shows us how much we understated the profit. From 20,000, we deduct the 1,600. It makes $18,400 understatement of the profit. The answer is A.